Jafar Abdillah, number 22.
Hello, my name is Janurin Anindya, number 12.
Hello, my name is Olivia Tarahiyaweka, number 20.
Hello, my name is Marisha Andrainit, number 23. My WhatsApp is lagging again. What's wrong with this app? See, that's why I'm switched to a different app. There are better ones out there.
Come on, in the end, everyone always come back to WhatsApp. Everyone uses it.
But don't you care about privacy? They still say read by 3%.
Wait, what? Seriously? Yeah, I've started using more secure app. WhatsApp isn't trustworthy.
Okay, good. What actually using it? If you're the only one switching, what's the point?
True, but if we just stay silent, we never get better privacy.
So what should I do? Stay at WhatsApp or